Hi everyone, this is Dr. Susan Little, and I want to tell you about a course that we're having this year at NAVC Institute, which is being held May 20th to the 25th in Orlando, Florida. I'm really pleased that this year we've brought back our feline medicine course. It's really a boot camp, 4 days of intensive learning from what I think is a great panel of speakers. We're a small group format, so you get a lot of interaction both with the speakers and with each other as you have the chance to discuss what you're learning from each of our great speakers. We have a dry lab for hands-on experience. I'll tell you more about that in a minute. Altogether, 32 RACE-approved CE credit hours. You can read more and register online at navc.com/institute. I'm very pleased to tell you about our lineup of course instructors this year. We've got Dr. Chris Bannon, who's going to cover some dentistry topics for us, like feline gingivostomatitis, facial swellings and tumors, and how to interpret dental radiographs, as well as feline extractions made easier. We could all learn more about that for sure. Dr. Terry Curtis is going to cover some feline behavior topics like house soiling, hyperesthesia, how to create harmony in multi-cat homes, and some topics on aggression in cats. Dr. Sue Ettinger is going to cover oncology. She's going to talk about early cancer detection using aspirates, biopsies, and cytology. She has a session on cancer tools that you can use to distinguish the difference between GI lymphoma and IBD in cats. And she has a session entitled How to Be a Rock Star with Feline Chemotherapy Patients. Dr. Mike Lappin is going to give us some infectious diseases updates. He's going to talk to us about tick-borne diseases and infectious gastrointestinal disease. I've got a variety of topics. I'll be discussing managing acute respiratory distress, successful management of the blocked cat. We'll talk about some maybe not so uncommon endocrine diseases in the cat, fatty liver disease, and an update on the retroviruses, feline leukemia virus and FIV. I'm really pleased we have Sheila Robertson with us this year. She's going to give us some updates in anesthesia and analgesia. She's going to talk about assessing and managing both acute and chronic pain. And she has a session going through some difficult feline anesthesia cases. And Dr. Margie Shirk is actually going to start off on day 1 with a session on who and what is a cat, understanding feline communication, and a session on feline-friendly handling. Our 2-hour diagnostics lab is a dry lab where you'll get the opportunity to learn some techniques through videos and case examples, and you'll have the opportunity to handle a lot of the equipment that we're going to discuss. We're going to cover feeding tubes, blind bronchoalveolar lavage, bone marrow aspirates and biopsies, as well as urethral catheterizations. So I hope this sounds interesting to you. Remember to go online at navc.com/institute to learn more and register to join us for our feline medicine course, May 20th to the 25th in Orlando, Florida.